Hey guys. Ooh, this is awkward. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a review today and it's gonna be on the spin brushes, and I know you guys have heard of them or like seen them everywhere because I know I see them like all over Instagram. So I'm gonna be doing the one from Vanity Planet, so it's this one and it just comes in a cute little box like this. So also I just got new glasses and like I kind of feel like they're so cute. They're different, you know, like for me anyways. I know a lot of people get ones like this, but I've never gotten ones like this. Like I always got like the regular little like Ray-Bans or whatever. So like I feel kind of weird, but like I love the way they look. I don't know, I like them. But anyways, so I'm gonna try this out and I'm really excited because I mean I've never really had problems with my skin, but it is something that like, you know, everyone has to deal with. Like everyone deals with it on a daily basis, and I mean, it still gives me problems sometimes. Like I still get breakouts and I still have problems with it, but you know, I think I'm still pretty blessed when it comes to my skin. Like I just don't have as much problems as I know a lot of other people do. So like I'm not complaining about my skin or anything, but I still do have to like keep up with it. So yeah, so this is what it looks like in the box. And then it looks like this. Upside down, it looks like this. It's so cute. It says Vanity Planet. Honestly, I love them. Like I just ordered their like charcoal for their teeth for the whitener, but I'm waiting to get my braces off. Dude, I'm so excited to get them off in like 10 days. I'm so excited. So, and then I have my senior pictures coming up soon. It's like maybe 3-4 days after I get these off. Oh, why isn't this opening? There we go. I was opening it the wrong way. Okay, so this is it. This is the little brush head. I gotta put some little batteries in here, and it's so cute. And the bristles are so soft. Whoa, like they're so soft. Like it'll never feel rough against your skin, and it's so cute. I got it in pink, and I got my sister one too. I got this one in pink for me and the purple one for my sister because that's her favorite color. And then it comes with this brush head as well. So this one's like the daily use brush head, and this one's like the exfoliating brush head. And then this last one right here is like for sensitive skin. It's got like, what do you call them? Like the bristles are, it says it here on the box somewhere, hold on. I forget, but it's for sensitive skin basically. But anyways, that's besides the point. I'm getting off track here. Yeah, so it's really good for sensitive skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I'm gonna go take my makeup off and then I'm gonna go and try it, and we're gonna see how it works out. So see you later. Okay, so this is me without any makeup on. My skin's looking a little rough. I was breaking out not too long ago. It was really bad. I don't have anywhere to put my phone, so I'm gonna have to hold it. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. Okay, well I guess this is what I'm gonna have to do. I have to get on first. So I'm just gonna put it straight onto my face, kind of like a skin mask. Just gonna put it right there onto my face. Okay, so I forgot that there wasn't any battery, so I went ahead and put some batteries in it. So this is the slow spin speed, and this is the fast spin speed, and then it's off. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna put it on slow. Ooh, there's water getting everywhere. So my makeup's completely off. I had to put my glasses back on because I'm legit blind. Like I wouldn't be looking at anything as I'm speaking to you. It would be a blur. But anyways, dude. Yeah, so first impression is definitely 10 out of 10. I like it a lot. obviously it's not gonna like, you know, magically make your acne or whatever it is disappear overnight, but it definitely does get, I can't even speak anymore. My skin is a lot softer. It's way softer. As you can see, I still have like acne. Obviously that'll go away over time. Like, I just remembered the word silicone. That's the word. That's the one that's for sensitive skin. Use daily, great for those with sensitive skin. But yeah, I like it a lot. My skin is way softer. Like, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I really am. It's definitely gonna be something that I'm gonna be using every day. And also when I ordered these, like the next day, I got a coupon for 30% off for buying like one of these, which, you know, if I get a coupon, I have to use it. You know what I mean? I have to. Was it 30% off? Yeah, it was. No, it was a different coupon. I think it was 10% off. So that's what it was. It was 10%, and I bought a second set of brush heads. Anyways, where was I going with that? I don't remember. Oh, and then I also got the teeth whitener that I was saying, the charcoal one. But I'm gonna give that one to my mom because I guess she's been wanting one. So I'm gonna give that one to her. And then I just ordered a new one today. Dude, Vanity Planet, 10 out of 10. I love them. I already love their products. Like, I love them. I got the daily face wash, which on the reviews, a lot of people said that they liked it. They said that you should like subscribe to the product, and if you do, like, you can subscribe to like their products if you like it a lot. You can like they'll send you a new one every single month, and you just keep paying like every month you pay the price of however much the product is, and it just automatically takes the money out of your account and sends you the product, which I think is really cool. You know what I mean? Automatically sends it to you. A lot of people say that they subscribe to their face wash and it's a daily one. It doesn't have any of like the little exfoliating beads. This was not a sponsor. This was not a sponsorship. So Vanity Planet, 10 out of 10 recommend. Like, it's a little bit more on the pricey side, I'm not gonna lie, but I think it's definitely worth it. And if you find good like deals or discounts or whatever, then perfect, you know, better. This one is like on me right now. Anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's, you know, the end of my video. How do you do these? I don't really know how to do an outro or an intro. I don't think I know how to do YouTube videos at all, but we gave it a shot, so that's all that matters. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you did, I appreciate it. I definitely think I want to do like more videos like this. Kind of fun, you know. I think I want to do like a July favorites later, or maybe like a haul, because I know literally all of the clothes that I buy on sale. I don't think I have bought anything that wasn't on sale in a long time. Like, I'm telling you, sale racks. So I could do like one of those hauls, or, you know, just like a July favorites, like stuff that I got this month that I really like, and this will definitely be in it, so you'll be seeing it again. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for my video. If you liked it, you can go ahead and press like, and if you didn't like it, you can still press like. I would appreciate it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Oh, and please subscribe. I would appreciate that. I hate myself. Anyways, I'm gonna go now before I make this any more cringy than it already is. So